What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different on my channel. I wanted to come on here and show you all my Telfar collection. I thought it would be really helpful because I know that when I was getting ready to do my back security program, I wanted to know like the sizes, difference in sizes, and I probably should have watched a video like this one because I realized that I'm not the hugest fan of the medium size. Like the small and the medium, there's a huge jump between the two, so I can't even imagine what a large looks like because the medium is huge to me. I want something in between the small and the medium, but I don't know when that will come. But Telfar, if you are listening, we need a medium bag, like we really do, because medium is too big, small is a little too small. Like we need something in the middle. But anyways, you guys, that's what this video is all about. I want to tell you all about my Telfar shopping experience, my bags, and what I think about them and what I recommend. So if you would like to see this video, definitely keep watching. But before we get into it, if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel, okay? Your girl does everything on this channel, from vlogs to try on hauls to makeup reviews to wig reviews. So yeah, it's lit over here. Definitely subscribe. It's a good time, okay? And with that, let's get into today's video.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Okay, so before I show you all my bags, I wanted to come on here and talk about like shipping and my shopping experience. So I have bought from the drops one time, and it was like literally after the back security program. So whenever that happens, I feel like it takes a little bit longer for the bags to sell out. The shopping experience is frustrating if you want to do the drops. It's not frustrating if you participate in their back security programs, which I would always recommend. It does take a lot of patience because you never know when your bag's gonna get here. They give you like a range of months that it can come, so it does get a bit frustrating, but I believe it's worth the wait, and it's better to be like patient than be frustrated that you keep on trying to get a bag and then the drops sell out within a second or a minute. Like, it's crazy. I would always suggest that you participate in the back security program, just because you'll get your bag. You don't have to worry about fighting with other people virtually, okay? Shipping is always super fast. Shipping, well, not super fast. If you do the back security program, it's gonna be a wait, you know? But once it says it's shipped, it usually comes the next day. With the drops though, the shipping is always super fast because the bags are already ready to ship. It takes like days to come, or like 1 day or 2 days. Like honestly, they have one of the fastest shippings I've ever seen. So yeah, let's get into the bags. I want to start with my small bag and then show you all the medium and give you guys a size comparison and my thoughts. I've worn my small bag the most just because the medium bag is just huge to me, and like right now whenever I'm going out, especially in a panty, okay, whenever I'm going out, I'm literally doing quick trips and I don't need a lot of things. I think that if we weren't in a panty and I was going to work like that, I would use the medium more just because it can fit more and it can hold more. But right now the small is what I've been using the most. First bag that I'm gonna start with is the UGG X Telfar. I waited for this bag for so long. I think the pre-order was in December and it literally came last week, and it's April now. It did say that it would come between March 2021 and June 2021. So I'm excited that I'm like one of the first, I guess, because June is a long way away. But here she is. Are you dumb? Like, I'm so glad that I talked myself into getting it because I really was like, it's not gonna come till June 2021. I'm not gonna be able to wear it until winter 2021. So, but do you all see her? She's so freaking cute. Even though I'm a huge fan of the small, that's why I kind of want a medium, because I feel like this is really small with the little UGG and the sheepskin on it. But or whatever kind of, I hope it's not real sheepskin. I don't think so. I think it's vegan. I don't know, but it is really small. But like, the medium would have been too big for me. Like, you'll see the size comparison, but this is so cute. What I can't speak to is like how this wears, because I haven't had the opportunity to wear it yet, but for what it looks like, it's super worth the money. Like, it's so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed. So this is what it looks like. I want to give you guys a close-up of the bag so you all can see. And then here's the back, because it has the little UGG Telfar on it. So yeah, this is super cute. Like I said, I can't really attest to like the wear of this bag because I haven't had the opportunity to wear it yet, but it's super cute and it's a one of a kind. Like, I don't think it's ever coming back, so I'm glad that I got it. So the next bag is this gray one. This was my first Telfeezy. No, yeah, this was my first Telfeezy. It was actually the second one that I purchased, but the other one was from the bag security program, so it didn't come first. This was the first one that came, and at first I thought it was really small, but you can fit a lot in this. I am planning to do like a what's in my bag. Right now it has nothing in it, but it's super cute. This has no zipper in it. It just has a clasp. I don't think any of them have a zipper in it, to be honest. It has a clasp, and inside there's no like little compartments. It just has the Telfar logo in it. Like I said, this is my first Telfeezy. This is the one that I use the most, and it's because of the times that we're in, I think. But honestly, I do still hold my ground that we need a medium bag. Like, this is a little bit too small, but like I make it work just because the medium is just too big for me. Like, it's just too big. I cannot. This one is super cute. I love it. And I didn't think that I would get that much wear out of it just because it is gray, but I'm glad I went with gray. I kind of still want a black in this small bag because I think I will wear that one the most. But yeah, this is the one that I wear the most just because it's a super everyday bag. I haven't had any like issues with like the leather or anything like that, and I've had this for a while now. Like, I made a video when I first got this, so I think it was in October or something like that, and I've been wearing this not every day. I just wear different bags, but this is in the rotation for my everyday bags, so I've worn this a lot, and I haven't seen any like wear or tear in this bag. So, and this is the last bag. So this is the black shopping bag, medium. You guys see, it's literally so big compared to the small. This is the size comparison. Like, it's a huge jump. So there should definitely be a bag in between these two. This is what I thought would be like my everyday bag, but it really isn't. I've literally never worn this out because it's just so big, but this can fit like a laptop and everything like that. It does have a zipper in it, which is nice. But yeah, I just don't have much to say about this or anything about the wear because I haven't had the opportunity to wear it yet, because it's just so big and I'm like not about to be wearing this out like that. But yeah, this is her. All right guys, so that is my Telfar collection. Let me know if you purchased any of the Telfar bags. Let me know your thoughts. I honestly have heard things that like the vegan leather doesn't last or anything like that, but I haven't experienced that yet. I'm super excited to wear the Telfar X UGG bag because it's just super duper cute. So that will be serving some looks in winter 2021. Let me know down below, do you think that Telfar should make a medium bag? Let me know down in the comments, and with that, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.